One of the problems with FUE grafts is that when they come out, they have a lot of sanguineous exudate on them, and it makes the graft sticky. So what we developed was a graft cleaning station to help get all this exudate off the grafts, make them less sticky, and make them much easier to place. Here you can see these grafts that we harvested with the 0T punch that are outstanding. A lot of hair in them, very little to no transection. There's beautiful grafts. We're able to cut really deep with the 0T punch if we need to. We have a variety of sizes to match the patient and the donor area. And you can see that as we spray these grafts, we get all that exudate off. And we can do this progressively as we take grafts out and just make them look absolutely beautiful. This will be available certainly in Malaga and online for order, and we will have it available for sale in Las Vegas. But it's a fantastic addition.